Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 66 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old mates up at DeAgostini. Now folks, if you'd like to build this iconic 1/6 scale, yes, 1/6 scale Mustang, then follow this link. There is a clickable version in the description below. That will take you to DeAgostini's website where you can have a good old looky-loo and take out a subscription to this bad boy. You will not be disappointed, peeps. Right, let's have a shufty through the magazine. This is Mustang Racing, women behind the wheel there. Lynn St. James, blast from the past there. Then obviously you've got Lynn St. James there in a Rouge Racing Mustang. Got Top Fuel dragsters there, and yeah, look at these bad boys. This is the funny car, pro funny car category, but look at that. And yeah, honestly, it's a thing to see. We went up the Santa Pod and it was like, wow, the smell of the fuel and everything. It was, yeah, such a rush. Obviously in the burnout, but yeah, absolutely. There's all the bits we got today. What we're going to be doing, so it's a repeat of what we've done previously with the mats, seat belts and the seat unit, but it's going to be bringing this dash area back into its own now. So with the seats in place, I might be able to get away with popping the gear lever in. We'll see. I'm hoping they'll give it a little bit of protection, but I'm still a little bit worried about it. This is what it's going to look like as we're building along, and then this is what we're going to have at the end of this issue, folks, okay? And obviously where it's going to go in your Mustang, it's just on the front there. This is Ford C100, Group C, looking rather mint, aren't they? 1982. I had a feeling it was the 80s because of the way it was slightly squared off in a few areas. Classic styling from the 80s, and then obviously all the engine exposed there. And then obviously the vans, the Ford vans. I can remember this, the van racing and truck racing events going on Donington Park. I remember seeing them. And then you got the Jägermaster. Is it the Jaeger? Yeah. And Ludwig in a spectacular image, the Belgian Azalda circuit on a wet track in 1983. So that's the magazine done, folks. So we'll scoot that open to the parts that we need, and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Right, folks, first up we're going to be doing the big mat. Same as we've done before, left to right. I've been ahead and dry fitted these just to make sure they're all the same. And obviously GT500 towards you. Again, ridge at the front is what I'm using, resting it in place and then just letting it fall and find its way into its home. Okay, job done. Same with the middle, give it a peelikins, line it up just like that, a little bit of resistance, let it fall in situ just like so. And then last but no means least for this one is this section. Just like that. Straight in. And let it just drop in place. So that's that mat sorted. And I'm going to put the backing on as well at this stage because at least I know it's on there. Same as we've been doing. Face down. Like a picture frame. Start it off and then just let it fall across the bottom of the mat, and I walk it in place just like so. And that's that mat ready to go. Same on this one, folks. All of these pieces are the same size. We don't have to worry about different sizes. Right in towards the back just makes it easier for me. Grab the next one. Okay, let's get the knife out for those. Some of these tabs literally just come straight off, folks, so don't rely on them too heavily. That's why I have my scalpel literally right next to me. So again, just go for a peely bops. Line it up like that, and then just roll it in place. And then we can just pop that in there. Just like that. Boom. I can now put this sticker on the back of this mat. And that will be both the mats ready then. Little picture frame effect. And then just walk it across. Pop, pop, pop. Have you a bit of them. That's the second mat ready. Let's bring our car into place. Our interior piece. And then we can start bringing all of our components that we need into shot. So it's going to be the front mat going in. So we'll get that ready. Peel that off. And we want to get that lined up with that corner. Like that. There you go, straight in, Cole. I love it when a plan comes together. Most important thing to remember, keep the GT500 towards you, otherwise you're going to have one mat round the wrong way and you'll never forgive yourself. Same process. Little peelykins. Get rid of that. And again, I'm just sliding it against that ridge. And the mat goes straight in, like so. Right. Start putting the seat belt together again. So let's just move the seat. Push that to one side, and it's the same process that we've done before here. Got your little ridge, your little piece like so. Line that up, and then you'll be popping that in with a PS05. So we'll grab both of those. Put the first one on the screwdriver. Little bit of oil, like that. And we'll screw those both together. Like that. And then get the next screw ready. Rest that in that square. And then we'll try and orientate the dash so that you can see what I am doing as best as we can. Up in there. Like that. And screw that piece fully in place, just like so. And that's now ready. Just like that. Again, same process with the seatbelt, folks. Same thing, keep that up, facing that way. Right, I want to feed that through this rectangle here. Like that. Then you can pull it through and line it up. And then you want to put that on that post. So press it in place. And then I use my tweezers just to fully home it. Like that. And you can run a warm knife on the end there. Just warm your tweezers up and give that a little squish, which I shall do at the end. So that's that seatbelt in. We're now ready to put the other seat in, sorry, the passenger seat. So let's grab that. I thought I was in the UK for a minute there. Yeah, driver's seat. There you go. So let's grab an itsy bitsy screw and get them in place for you. Again, bit of oil. I'll bend forward and pre-cut my threads on these seats just to make it easier for it to go in. So I'm going to start with this one. And then that'll leave me the second one then. There you go. Try and get that straight in there. Just like so. And that is both them seats in place now. So we can just throw them down there out the way for now. So that's what you're going to end up with, a nice pair of seats in there. I am tempted to put this in, but I still think I can knock that. So I'm going to leave it out for now. So there you go, folks. That's what we've got today. Remember, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, this iconic 1/6 scale Ford Mustang, follow this link all the way along here. Pop. Takes you to DeAgostini's website, where you too can take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful car. In the meantime, to help me out and grow me channel, just give little Festakins a click in the corner there and subscribe. Really helps me out. I'm massively grateful. And whilst you're there, just give the bell a ring, select all, and you'll get notified of upcoming content. Until then, folks, I look forward to seeing you on the next issue. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Bye-bye for now.